To be honest, when I got exposed to this course, I've also covered this in my slide. I would honestly accept this that 99% of the teachings or whatever we have gone through in the curriculum, I was not aware of, right? Through Indian wisdom. I'll be very honest to accept this. And I think your first learning starts when you accept where you stand.
Beautiful.
That's more about being receptive. This is what the first class was introduced to. How do you accept what it is? So when we started this journey, of course there are a few things which from the management concept, because you're you are an MBA and whatnot. You have done various projects, works, assignments, and gamuts of human resources. But how do you relate to Indian wisdom? What do you see in Indian wisdom? What is there in Indian wisdom is a ocean, and whatever education system we have been exposed to is quite shallow at the moment, right? So I would not say that I'm done with it. I think it's just the start. It's just the beginning, I would say.
Yes.
So as the name says, Prathmik, which is the first, I think it's the first step towards the learning journey, which is more from Indian wisdom, and it also gives you a deeper sense and deeper purpose in life. Right. So that's where I relate these learnings to.
Wow. Superb. So now the journey begins.
The journey begins, of course. And coming back to, how did we cover these entire Bureau 17 classes? It wasn't easy. It's very difficult to summarize in one, 2-3 minutes explanation what we would be giving. Like I said,
Correctly.
it's a journey which we would be probably applying, using, and deep diving into, and maybe many times even introspect into it. So
Yes.
I think it is now the part and parcel of life, right? So
Wow.
that's where it starts.
Now you can't
Whatever we are
separate
doing,
it from your
we
existence.
can't separate it from our personality. It's in us. We have imbibed it in the first session and first few sessions and module. I think now it's about how do we take it forward the entire journey.